Question 27, I just talked about saturated and unsaturated. So you decolorize element X. This is a test for unsaturation. This is a test for carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is what you call unsaturated or unsaturation. And you use bromine. You use bromine which is aqueous Br2. So that is going to be orange. When the bromine reacts with the carbon-carbon double bond, that means, if carbon-carbon double bond is present, then it's gonna go orange to colorless because the bromine will react. When the bromine reacts, that means the bromine become colorless. Bromine reacts. Okay, so bromine will react with carbon-carbon double bond, which is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this hydrocarbon that we're looking at cannot be alkane, because alkanes are saturated. Saturated meaning no carbon-carbon double bond, only carbon-carbon single. Therefore, cannot add Br2 onto carbon-carbon single. You can only do substitution. C and D is wrong. And then between this thing and this thing, hydrogen is not colored because element X decolorize that. Hydrogen is wrong because hydrogen is not colored. Hydrogen is not colored. Hydrogen is a colorless gas. That's why they say when they react with Y is colorless because there's no color change, because hydrogen is colorless. So Y is hydrogen, X is bromine, and the hydrocarbon is an alkene there.